You don't have to go overboard with the drop sheets. It's just that if you have an accident is all, basically. If you have an accident. So as you can see here, I'm not going overboard. It's quite dark in here. Ceilings are finished. So that's just an undercoat. As you can see there, it's really just a mist coat. I'll just show you how quickly I get around these corners. So oil-based undercoat, quick dry, no big drama. Use the right tip. You don't have any dramas. Make sure you cover up a bit better than you normally would. Missed that one. Very hard to see. Just use your head, that's all. This is a 211 tip I'm using now. Now I've done the skirtings, some of these skirtings, they're all dry as, so it's not like real oil-based paint. It does dry quite quickly. So these were done, you know, these window frames and that were done. Now as you can see, I can see anything that needs fixing. It's still wet because I only just did it probably 3 or 4 minutes ago. But it's not bad, you know. whip around the skirtings here. This was oil based around here. Give that a coat, you see there. Skirtings. Yeah, I mean, that's about it. And I'll just work my way through this house now. And I'll go back and do these doors, pop these doors over and do them edges on the other side now. So just undercoating these doors with the oil-based undercoat. So as you can see there, and they've all just had a light sand, then they've had a spray of the oil-based undercoat. I've got one left up there to do. I don't have enough room here, so I have two here that needs both sides done. The other side's done, all the edges are done. So we'll just do this one here now while you're watching. So I just got another tip out, I think it was 311. Because I haven't been working, a lot of my tips have gone off. So I do need to buy some new tips. But anyhow, very simple. Now remember, we're just doing a mist coat here. Nothing too fantastic. And we will be roller finishing these doors with so that's that. Yeah, so they'll be roller finished. They'll have two more coats of the Sterigard gloss on these doors.